Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TLV Academy. By the year 2030, the world around us will be transformed in ways we can hardly imagine. Artificial intelligence will drive factories, climate change will redefine industries, and personal data will become the most valuable resource on the planet. But here is a question many people don't think about. Who will make sure this new world runs in order? The answer lies in something we often take for granted: ISO standards. In this video, we are going to explore the future of ISO, looking ahead to what new standards might exist by 2030. From artificial intelligence ethics to climate action, from blockchain trust systems to space tourism safety, ISO could set the invisible rules that guide humanity into the future. ISO today, the foundation. Before we look forward, let's look back. ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, has been creating standards since 1947. Today, we rely on famous ones like ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14001 for environmental management, ISO 27001 for information security, and ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety. Think about it. When you travel on a safe airplane, buy safe packaged food, or trust a digital payment, ISO standards are quietly working behind the scenes. But if the past was about ensuring quality, safety, and trust, the future will demand something much bigger: standards for survival, sustainability, and smart technology. The drivers of change by 2030. Why will new ISO standards be needed? Four forces will shape the demand. First, technology. Artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, blockchain, and even quantum computing are becoming part of daily life. Second, the climate crisis. The world is racing toward net zero, renewable energy, and sustainable living. Third, society itself is changing. Populations are aging, cities are expanding, and jobs are becoming digital. And finally, global risk. The COVID-19 pandemic taught us how fragile global supply chains can be. Geopolitical conflicts and cyber attacks are pushing us to think about global rules. Just as ISO 9001 became the universal language of quality, tomorrow we may see ISO standards that guide AI bias testing, genetic privacy, or climate-resilient buildings. Now let's talk about technology and digitalization. The digital future will demand ISO standards that go beyond today's IT norms. We may soon have AI-driven audits, where certifications are verified in seconds by algorithms rather than humans. ISO 27001 may evolve into quantum-resistant cybersecurity standards, ensuring encryption survives future computing power. Certification itself could move to the blockchain, making compliance records tamper-proof and instantly verifiable across the world. ISO could also regulate global digital identities, ensuring trust when people interact, trade, or even vote online. Imagine an AI auditor scanning thousands of processes in a few seconds. That is where ISO could take compliance in the digital age. Now let's discuss about sustainability and society. By 2030, ISO will no longer just measure business processes. It will measure how responsible organizations are toward the planet and society. Expect an ISO 2050 net zero framework setting global rules for achieving carbon neutrality. We may also see ISO for water scarcity management to handle one of the biggest crises of the coming decade. The circular economy will need ISO standards to manage recycling, waste-to-energy systems, and green supply chains. On the social side, ISO could define standards for mental health at work, digital work-life balance, and even fair use of AI in employee management. ISO's role will shift from operational excellence to ensuring human and environmental well-being. Governance and global compliance. ISO will also take on a bigger role in governance. We may see stronger anti-corruption frameworks building on ISO 37001 or new standards that guide countries during pandemics, cyber wars, or financial meltdowns. The truth is, ISO creates global rules without politics. It is silent governance, By 2030, that influence will only grow as businesses. By 2030, that influence will only grow as businesses, governments, and individuals seek neutral ground for cooperation. Now let's discuss about the future of ISO. ISO 2030 is not science fiction. It is a roadmap for our future. Whether it is AI ethics, genetic privacy, space safety, or net zero commitments, ISO will define the invisible rules that keeps our world running. So I'll leave you with this. Which future ISO standard do you think is the most important? Share your thoughts in the comments because your ideas may well be the blueprint for tomorrow. If you found this journey into the future exciting, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and share it with your colleagues because the future won't wait and neither should we. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academic.